Alright, we're going to fit this roll cage to my twin-turboed big block VN Commodore. So let's get back in the car and let's start cleaning it out.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic.
Alright, so before I get onto this episode, I just want to make sure you get yourself over to the store, get yourself a shirt. I mean, they're going quick, so yeah, you don't want to miss out. You know, you can buy them in there, ready for Christmas. Get it before Christmas if you buy it now, and then get them before Christmas. You buy one for your friends, family, favorite neighbor. You buy one, help out the team. Alright, so she's a bit of a mess in here. It's been a long time since we've touched this car. I have already removed the seat. You can see it sitting there. I've cut the ends off because I've got to drill out the rails because I did weld it. With the drag racing, you can't have it so it moves. So I had to literally sit it where I needed it and I welded it. So now I've had to cut the top off and we're going to drill these out and then we will pull that out, pull the carpet out. We're going to strip all this down to bare metal. So the carpet's coming out. If it still sits in here, like the roof lining, the light, all this will come out. Everything is going to come out. So there will literally be no interior left. This seatbelt is out of date now. That's going to come out. And then all this wiring, the steering lock will come off. We'll break that and we'll take that off. That pedal's got to come out because the engine is cable driven, not fly-by-wire anymore. So yeah, let's get into gutting this. Alright, so I've gotten ahead, cleaned it all up, cleaned everything out of here. I've gone ahead and I've made the part of the rear box, as you can see here. Do have one mocked up inside here. So the good thing about this with the Chimera development one is that everything is labelled and drawn out for you. So you can see here, they give you pretty good drawings. You got a set of welding instructions, and everything's etched on the bars. I'll show you that later when we go to put the mid hoop in. So yeah, I'm just about to make the front box. We'll get that all sat in. We'll tack them up in position, mark them out and everything like that, and then we'll start fitting the hoop and see how we go there. All right, so I've got the boxes tacked in now. You can see the front ones up there. The back ones are in, only tacked together and everything like that. So now we can start laying some bars in here. Looks like all the door seals are going to have to go though and everything like that, which is fine. So it'll be like driving a shed again, but like that Land Rover. But anyways, I've got these in where they got to be, using the body markings to try and get them as like central as I can to each other. So yeah, let's get some bars in. All right, so I've got the boxes tacked in. As you can see, I did put the hoop in. Let me turn around here. There. So that hoop's in. And then, oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? We're coming along now. side intrusion bar and the front main hoop is in. So yeah, I've got to move that box back a bit, which is fine, but look at that. So far so good. I got excited, I couldn't help myself. I literally had to put it in. So yeah, I'm gonna crack onto the other side and then we'll have a good overall look, see where we're at, and we'll start on the rear. Alright, so I bought this as a kit from Chimera Development. Now, I've seen these guys and I spoke to Troy, if I remember right, and he said, mate, it's easy, you know, you can do it. So literally everything is marked on this. It's all etched and done and everything like that. So I will show you, it's got lines, I'll show you. So you can literally see the etched lines on here, you know, where you can line everything up here, you know, like everything is like etched. See where it all got to go in? It's so easy, it's so simple. So I'll literally set yours up. You can watch me put in the taxi bar and everything like that. I've already got the cross support in. I'll put these crossbars in and then we'll start on the rear stays and everything. And then once all that's tacked together, it's basically just a matter of pulling it all, like all the boxes out now, and then we'll drop it down and start trying to weld it. So we'll get that done. Well, looks like the welder fucks with it. It's that simple. The whole thing is just built like that. Like, it's not hard at all. Like, it's amazing. So, like, look at that. You know, it's great. This is a great kit. You jump over to Chimera. It's not sponsored, so don't think, you know. But if you haven't jumped over to Chimera Development, I'd do it now. Just amazing. It's so easy. Alright, so you can see the bars are in. I got that one in, that one in. I also got the rears in. The rear stays. I haven't put the plates on the tubs. I've got to chamfer them a bit more to suit. But these rear stays are made for the factory wheel arches, but this is mini tubbed. So yeah, I've just got to mod them. Spoke to an engineer about getting this all approved and everything like that, but she's all in, ridgy-dig, and it's solid. I mean, this thing is so hard. So yeah, I will basically take these boxes out now. We'll drop the cage down. I'll weld it all in, weld it all up, and then my mate Graham's going to come along and tech inspect this, get it passed, and then we can start putting the seat back in. I'll start mounting the transmission properly, and we'll get that engine up and running and ready to be bolted back in. But this is what the whole thing looks like so far. So far, so good. I mean, I'm excited. I'm going to do the cage white. I'm going to do the floors and doors black. The dashboard is going white with a black and red stripe to suit the 7A paint scheme. The cage is going to be white so you can see it and notice it, and just so everything sticks out. So that's it. That's going to do it for this one. The cage is all tacked in. I'll weld that up and off camera, so it's all done and dusted. But like I always say, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Show your friends, show your family, you know, your 15th cousin twice removed, or sit down and have a drink with your favourite neighbour. Just, yeah, get over to the fucking merch store, you know, buy yourself a shirt, and you'll get them before Christmas if you order now. So I'll put the link in the description. There's also the end screen that you'll see with the link on there. So jump on there, grab yourself a shirt, $15 postage no matter how many you buy, doesn't matter. So yeah, buy one for everyone for Christmas, all right? And like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next episode.